Imagine transforming a pristine island into India's next big marine hub. But at what cost? Today, we explore the Great Nicobar project. The project includes an international container transshipment terminal with 14 to 16 million TEU capacity, a greenfield international airport, a large township, approximately 16,610 hectares, a 450 MVA gas plus solar power plant. Strategically, Great Nicobar is located near the Malacca Strait. Strengthening this island enhances India's maritime domain awareness, supports its Act East policy, boosts preparedness for humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. The ecological and social concerns. Deforestation and biodiversity. The project will require clearing of approximately 130 square kilometers of primary tropical rainforests. Estimated tree loss ranges. Government figures say approximately 8.5 lakh trees, but independent estimates go much higher. Marine ecosystems. Galathea Bay nesting grounds of leatherback turtles, coral reliefs under CRZ 1A, mangroves, endangered species like Nicobar megapod, Nicobar macaque, these are under threat. Tribal and legal issues. Shompen and Nicobarese, particularly vulnerable tribal groups, concerns over displacement, loss of traditional lands, disease exposure, inadequate consultation as required under the Forest Rights Act 2006 and Andaman and Nicobar Islands Protection of Aboriginal Tribes Regulation. The seismic and disaster risk. Great Nicobar is an earthquake or tsunami-prone zone. For example, subsidence occurred after the 2004 tsunami. Building large-scale port or airport infrastructure here increases risk. The mitigation and government position. Clearances and assessments. Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, Experts Appraisal Committee cleared it in 2022. Environmental and forest clearances are in place. Compensatory afforestation and coral translocation. To offset loss of forest or mangroves, afforestation proposed, even remotest in places like Haryana or Aravalli. The conservation sites will pause Little Nicobar, Menkal Island, Meru Island to protect species. Conservation plans for leatherback turtle, saltwater crocodile, etc. Balance analysis or UPSC relevant key takeaways. Trade-off between India's national security and economic ambitions versus environment, tribal rights and disaster resilience. Legal precedents and constitutional provisions like Forest Rights Act, regulation of ICRZ, how sustainable development is negotiated in practice. Importance of policy design, transparency, stakeholder consultation, reading map-based strategic geography, environment and ecology ethics. Great Nicobar could be India's gateway to the Indo-Pacific or a cautionary tale of ecological cost. How do you think India must balance